children, how are you? So we finished. I think everyone are regularly watching the videos and following everything. I think yes, you are following now. Good. Okay. Now we finished our first class. Today I post to you the first lesson, all the homework also. So I give only the hard words. You can do that work also. Okay, we finished our first lesson, that is about ourselves, completed. Now we will go to the next class. Before that I will ask you, so everyone, did you finish your breakfast? Good, you finished. Do you take the lunch? Yes, in the afternoon time everyone will take the lunch. Okay, in the night time we will take the dinner. Yes, in the meanwhile we will eat the snacks also. Everything we will eat. So, can you live without eating anything? Oh no, if you don't eat, even if you not eat taken the breakfast, what will be happens? See, you feel it is a very weak with you, or weak. Okay now? Just what you will feel? You will feel you became a weak person. You can't able to do anything, any work or anything. Why? Because you didn't taken the breakfast. Yes? Yes. So that means we have to take food regularly. Yes, children? Yes, we have to take a food regularly. Good. Now, that's today's our lesson is the food we eat. What is our lesson 2? What is the name of our lesson? Say, children, the food we eat. T-H-E, the food. So the spelling, food spelling, you know? Yes, good. F-O-O-D, food. The food we eat. We, that means our. We. All the people. What the food we eat. E-A-T. E. So, what is our lesson name? The food we eat. So today we will see about the food we eat. Okay, children? Okay, so I am saying. First, I will say to you that why we have to take the food. What is the importance of food? So first we will see the importance of food. So now we will see why we have to take importance of food. That means why we have to take a food. Why we need food. Only the human beings only need the food or other things also need the food. Why? You can see. So I already said, can we live without taking any food? No, we can't live. That means the food is needed to live. Yes? Yeah. So it is needed to live. It is needed to live. It is needed to live. So spell it L-I-V-E. If you want to live, we have to take the food. Yes. And also, it is needed to grow. The food is needed to grow. Say G-R-O-W. Grow. So, if you are a small baby, so you have to be stay like that only. No, you are increasing in the height wise. It is day by day you are growing. Yes, you are growing up. That means you are becoming older. That means we need food. So what the mummy will give us in the small time, she will give to you the milk, and afterwards, after some months, she will feed you. She will give to you some fruits, so dals like that. Okay, like that means day by day you are growing up. So that's it. We have to need food to grow also. Okay, children. See, we need food to live, and we need food to grow. And also, okay, we are doing. See, everything is there. So, what we will get the food? If you are taking the food, then are you getting anything? Are you getting anything? See, if you are not taking anything, means can you do any work? Can you do? No, we can't do any work. So if you are taking the food, then what you will get? Yes, from the food we get energy. We get energy. Yes. We get the energy. From the food we get energy. Energy means power. Power we get. So energy, say the spelling of energy, say everyone. E-N-E-R-G-Y. Energy. So that means power. That means power we get from the food. Okay. Now, why we have to get energy? Why we have to get energy? So we have to do, and we have to do the work. Yes. Can we stay at in one place only? No. We have to move. We have to lift something. We have to eat, and we have to do some work. Our work, homeworks. Okay, you are small babies. You have to do your homeworks. You have to play. Everything we have to run. We have to walk. Everything we have to do. Yes. So that means without energy, can you do all these things? No, we can't do. So that's why we have to get food to work. Yes, very good. To work. Yeah, we have to do work means we have to get the energy. From where we get the energy? From the food we will get the energy. From the food only we will get the energy. If we get the energy, we can do all those things what we want to do. Yes, we have to do. Just I will show to you a small food items. Okay, these are. See this food. This type of different. Not only one type of food we are eating. Different types of food we are eating. See these all. See here. These are all the different types of food. Fish, mutton, pulses, eggs, rice. These are okay. See, these are the different types of food. Okay, children. This type, if you are taking this type of food, then we will get the energy, good energy, healthy food. This is all the healthy food. Okay, we will get good energy also. Okay, children. Okay. See this. By the food, we will get the different types of food. We will get the energy. Okay. So, okay. Now we will see from which we will get the food. So, who is giving to us? Who is giving to us? From where we are getting the food? Okay, we can see. Now we can see the sources. S-O-U-R-C-E-S. Sources. Now we can see sources of food. Okay, sources of food. And that means from where we are getting the food. We will get the food mainly from the plants. We will get the food from the plants. Food. So from where we are getting? First, mainly we are getting the food from plants. See the spelling of plants, everyone? P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. Second, P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. And another thing is animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. See, from the plants and from the animals we are getting the food. Okay. Okay, now we can see that from which we are getting the food. I will show to you. Can I stick this here? Children, see, from the plants, I said to you now, from the plants we will get the different types of food. Okay, see, we can see from the plants. First, we will get from the plants fruits. Okay, now see different types of fruits, not only apple or a banana. See different, so many of fruits you know now: apple, mango, banana, orange, papaya, pineapple, grapes. See some more are there, watermelon. Okay, this type of so many fruits are coming from the plants. These fruits are fresh fruits, gives us more energy to us. Okay, see this, from the plants we will get the fruits. Fruits, see what are the fruits? Some examples I am saying to you that. See, that is apple, mango. See, do you like to eat mango? Yes, everyone. Nowadays we are getting the mangoes in summer season. Okay, mango, banana, orange. Okay, next papaya. Next, what is this? Watermelon, pineapple. Okay, next grapes, and one more. Some more are there. Watermelon. Okay, like that. So many fruits are there. These are the one type of. These are from fruit plants we are getting. Okay, these are fruits. So what is the next one? I will say to you that what we will get from the plants. That is another one is vegetables. See what, children? Vegetables. Vegetables also we will get from the plants. See children, all the vegetables we will eat now: tomato, cucumber, potatoes, cabbage, cauliflower, okay, capsicums, chilies, garlic, onions. These are all the different types of food items, so which we will use to eat. These all also we are coming from the plants only. This is all coming from the plants only. See this? Okay children, do you understanding what we are getting from the plants? We are getting from the plants for fruits, fresh fruits and fresh vegetables. And vegetables also, leafy vegetables also are there. Yes, yeah, leafy vegetables also there. These all, see, these are the different, see brinjal is there. Okay, bottle gourd, tomatoes, cabbage, carrot. These are all the different vegetables which we are using to eat on our food. Okay, see the next one. See the next one. See, we can eat from the plants. We will get the pulses, nuts. Okay, we will get from the plants different types of pulses. We know now red gram, green gram, black gram, like the pulses we like to eat. Ah yes, those only. And see almond, custard. See this almond. See walnuts. These are all the pulses and nuts. Seeds also is there. See these are all also we can use in our food, in daily our food. Children, are you seeing this all? See, once again I am saying to you, see, from the plants. See, once again I am saying to you, from the plants what we are getting? Ah, yes, already I have shown to you the all. From the plants. From the plants, what we are getting, Amma? See, from the plants, we are getting fruits. Say the spelling of fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. So, eating fresh fruits is a very good habit to our health. If you will take the fruits in our daily meals, then we will get the good health. Now, in these days, just you definitely eat the food, which is a pineapple, mangoes, like it. You must be eat daily. Okay, children. See, fresh fruit gives us a good health. Okay, what are the fruits I said? For example, I said to you, I shown to you that some examples of you. That is fruits: apple, apple, mango, banana, orange, okay, papaya, pineapple and grapes. Okay, some more examples only I shown you. So many other fruits also is there. Once again I am showing to you. Okay, these are the some examples for the fruits. Now we will see what is the next one. We are using the vegetables also. See, say the spelling along with me everyone. Vegetable spelling VEGETABLES. Vegetables. Say again. VEGETABLES. Vegetables. So we will use these vegetables in our meals. See this. Again I am saying to you. Okay. See, these are all the different types of food. Not only one or two vegetables are there. So many types of vegetables are there. Leafy vegetables are there. These are all we are using in our food, in our meals. By preparing curries and everything, we are using these all. Okay, some carrot, cucumber, like that we can eat a tomato. We can eat the raw one also. Raw means you know, పచ్చివి కూడా తింటాం కదా మనం. క్యారెట్ వి లైక్ టు ఈట్. పచ్చి క్యారెట్ చాలా ఇష్టంగా తింటాం. బాగుంటుంది. ఇట్ ఇస్ గుడ్ ఫర్ హెల్త్ ఆల్సో. Everyone you must eat carrot once or twice in a week. That is good for our eyes. Okay, you didn't get any sight problems. So you must regularly you can use the carrot in our meals. Okay children, these are all the different types of vegetables. Okay, then what is the next one? We are getting from the plants. This is all getting from the plants only. So we will get the pulses, seeds, and nuts. Nuts. These all we are getting from the seeds and nuts. Okay children, see that. I will show to you. See everyone, these are that different. See, not only nuts or seeds, so many are there. See, that's why everyone is saying to us to grow plants, more plants, because from the plants only we are getting food. Most of the food items we are getting from the plants only, and also which we are breathing, the air which we are using to breathe, that air also we are getting from the plants only. So you can use to grow more plants in our surroundings. If you have any space in your house surroundings, you can use to plant the plants. Okay children, see this. Here corn, you like to eat the corn? Yes, see like that. So many groundnuts, then black pepper, cashew nuts, almond is there. Next so many of peas is there. See, different types of seeds. Okay, different types of pulses. You like my pulses. Next seeds are there. Everything these are the dry fruits are very healthy to us. Okay, very healthy food to us. So we must use to these all also in our daily food. Okay children, see this from the plants, these are all getting. Okay, do you understand? Once again can I say? Okay, from the plants we are getting the food is fruits, 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 vegetables, 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 and then vegetables, leafy vegetables also is there, coriander, like that some leafy vegetables, spinach, leafy vegetables also are there. Then after we will get the pulses and cereals. Pulses and cereals and pappulu dhanyalu unnai kada. So those all pulses and cereals also we will get from the plants. And also seeds. Seeds also we are getting from the plants. Seeds means vittanalu. Next, nuts. Nuts also we are getting from the plants. These are all we are getting from the plants. Now I will say to the what is the another thing from the plants we are getting now? Animals. What is another one? Animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. From the animals, what we are getting, we can see. Okay, see. These are all the from animals. Animals, we are getting the different types of food. Okay. See, these are all animals. These are cows, buffaloes, hens, ducks, goat, sheep, fishes, prawns. These are all the animals. From these animals, we are getting the different types of food. See this, from the goat, fish, we are getting the meat. Not only goat, sheep, and then prawns, hens gives us a chicken. So like that we will get the meat. Then from the buffaloes we are getting another one, milk. Milk means not only we are using milk. See here, if you taken the milk means so many milk products are there. Butter, cheese, see, ghee, like that. So many milk products we are getting from the milk. That means we are getting that milk products also from the milk. That is the animals. Which is giving for us milk? Animals are giving. Animals means we are buffaloes and cows. We are getting the milk. So from the milk we are getting so different types of food items. Okay, next we are getting the eggs also. We are getting eggs also. Eggs. So which hens and ducks are giving the eggs to us? Yes. Do you like to eat egg? Yes, very good. Every day you must take one glass of milk and one boiled egg. It gives so much of energy to you. Okay, this is very good healthy habit. See again, from the animals we are using. See, we are getting this type of food. We are getting this type of food. See, meat we are getting from the animals, meat, milk and eggs. So these are from the animals we are getting. So once again I will explain to you. See children. See, the next one is animals. What is the next one? Animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. So animals, what we are getting that? We are getting milk. We are getting milk. Milk means, so with the milk we can get curd. See, you are the curd, ghee, G-H-E, ghee, curd, perugu, neyi, butter. B-U-T-T-E-R, butter, cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E, cheese. Like that, we are getting, these are all the milk products. These are all milk products. Milk products. These are all called milk products. From the milk we are getting. See, this all you like to eat, everyone. See, everyone likes to eat. These are all the milk products. And also ice cream also we are getting from the milk only. Yes. Yeah, ice cream. Do you like the ice cream to eat? Yes, I like so much to eat ice cream. Do you like? Yeah, you also like. So these are all coming from the milk. So these milk, how we are getting this milk? From the cows, buffaloes, we are getting this milk. Okay. Now, the eggs. Okay. See, every day you must eat one boiled egg. Okay. In the breakfast time, you can use 1 glass of milk and 1 boiled egg. 1 boiled egg and 1 glass of milk. If you use in your daily breakfast, then you will get more energy and you will be more healthy. Okay, so that's you must use these two in your daily meals. Now, see, this is now what is the next term? We will get meat. We will get meat from the animals. We will get meat from the animals. See this, which type of chicken, mutton. See this chicken, mutton we can use in that. And also from the fish we will get the meat. Yes, from the fish. Do you like to eat fish? Yes, the fish is also very healthy food to us, more than of chicken and mutton. Okay, it gives us the D vitamin, E vitamin. Okay, so you must use to eat fish also. Fish. Next, prawns. Okay, crabs. These are all we are using as a mutton. So in our daily food. Okay. So these are all the people are not eating the meat, but we will use to eat plants. But from the animals, all the people are not eating. Okay, some people are there used to eat this mutton, chicken like that. Okay, children. Okay. Again, I am explaining to you the animals. See, from the animals, what we are getting? What we are getting? We are getting milk. We are getting from the animals milk, eggs and meat we are getting. So what are the milk products? Curd, cheese, butter, ghee, ice cream we are getting from the milk. So daily we have to take 1 glass of milk in our breakfast. Okay. Then from the eggs, from the hens. See, from the hens we are getting the eggs. Hens. See, hens and ducks are giving to us eggs. Hens and ducks are giving to us eggs. Okay, children. Every day you can use to eat 1 boiled egg. You are growing one. You are small children, so you have to grow healthy. That's why you can use these two. Definitely, again I am saying. Okay. Now, from the animals we are getting meat. Meat means chicken, mutton, fish like that. Oh, so many are there. So like that we are getting. We like to we very much like to eat this chicken, mutton like that. Yes, children, do you like to eat chicken? Yes, different types of dishes our mother will prepare, and we used to very liking. Okay, see this chicken, mutton. So these are all the from the animals. So what we learned today about our food. Okay, where food is coming from? From the plants and animals. Okay, from the plants and animals we are getting the food. Okay, now tomorrow I will say to the what is which is good for us, good eating habits, bad eating habits and everything I will say in the next class. Okay children, thank you.